All right, these are your favorite. Find the slope of the line. Here we go. So remember, you have steps. First step, label. Second, write the formula. And third, input and compute. Okay, so first step, label. So I'm going to call this x1 because it's the first coordinates of x value. x1, y1, x2, y2. So I've got point number 1, point number 2. Step 2, I have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And then I've got parentheses minus parentheses over parentheses minus parentheses. Now go plug them in. So y sub 2 is 4. Y sub 1 is negative 4. And then I have x sub 2 is 1. X sub 1 is negative 1. Now remember, right here, I've got minus a negative. Minus a negative is plus a positive. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And I have the same thing on the bottom, minus a negative. So remember, minus a negative is plus a positive. So 8 over 2, and that reduces to, divide top and bottom by 2, and you get m equals 4. Okay, and one more. So turn off the video, do this one yourself. Okay, now you're back. It's magic. x1, y1, x2, y2. Step 2, write the formula. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And then it's parentheses minus parentheses over parentheses minus parentheses. And again, y2 is 2. y1 is 2. Uh-oh. x2 is negative 3. And x1 is 1. Okay, now my little bell should be going off in your brain that says 2 minus 2 is 0. And then I have negative 3 plus negative 1. So I have negative 4. So my slope on this guy is it 0 or undefined? You can hold a ball above your head, so this one's 0. Okay,